Food, clothing, shelter. These are three basic needs for a human being. Take a look at shelter. It started as caves or a pile of rocks with a thatched roof. But humans have always strived to build to the imagination's content. It's been a marvelous evolution through our history. From the seven wonders of yesterday, to skyscrapers today, to rotating buildings of tomorrow, they never cease to amaze us.
How does it amaze us? It all starts with a vision from an empty land with good environment and resources, making our dreams a digital reality. Just like we select the best for living. Similarly, let us have the best material that makes our dream a visual treat.
Plans, skills, and teamwork have been dedicated for months and years to make these beautiful pieces of art and eternal masterpiece for future generation to witness. At the heart of all this, working behind the scene, lies the special set of people, civil engineers. In our country, there are more than 6,000 engineering colleges, and when it comes to our state, it's above 600. Out of these many, why choose civil engineering in KCG College of Technology? Well, our motto states that making every man a success and no man a failure. And Civil Department follows this motto and provides all facilities that the students need. Our head of department, along with the faculties, make sure that the success of your life starts from here.
Civil engineers are the backbone of any country's infrastructural evolution. At KCG College of Technology, we create outstanding civil engineers who can plan, design, construct, operate and maintain roads, bridges, dams, water supply schemes, sewerage systems, transportation, harbors, canals, dockyards, airports, railways, factories and skyscrapers.
And wait, let the future engineers explain the rest.
It is a common norm to find a civil engineer out in a field, walking around with a telescope and a staff. Have you ever imagined what is actually going on? Or imagine how a road or a building should be planned, where it should be located, and what goes where?
The student chapter of Indian Concrete Institute and Indian Plumbing Association has been formed for active learning, which helps the students to actively participate and organize events in relevant fields.
In KCG, we make sure you get hands-on experience on how to use the instruments and coordinator team, and not just within the college but also conduct survey camps at villages and remote hill station, where it is a challenge that prepares us for the worst possible scenarios.
The Civil Engineering Department has exclusive Autodesk Center of Excellence, which is intended to impart knowledge and skills on various Autodesk software to our budding civil engineers.
If you think civil engineering is only about working in the field and you feel it is not your cup of tea, you can always opt to be a part of the designing aspect of civil engineering. In KCG's Civil Department, we are provided with well-skilled professional faculty who train us various softwares like CAD and STAAD in our state-of-the-art computers.
You get a sinking feeling every time you stand in the shore, but hasn't it ever struck you that something as big as a building like this is kept from sinking? In the Soil Mechanics Lab in KCG, we civil engineers perform various tests and experiments to study the soil and, if need be, even improve the quality of soil wherever and whenever required.
Here in KCG, the faculty of Civil Department are working quite hard to construct the pillars who are none other than the students for the future of civil industry. When it comes to pillars, it's about the concrete. Did you know this fact that concrete is the second most consumed material in the whole world? This makes the concrete lab of the Civil Department of KCG the most crucial lab, as this is where we learn various tests and experiments that we are most likely to use out on the field.
As you know, the current situation portrays that engineers throughout the country are facing job crisis and many institutions do not have a proper solution for this. In this type of crisis, our department plays a vital role by providing scholarship to the classes that prepare for examinations like GATE and aptitude that not only helps in getting us a job but also helps in pursuing our higher education.
But wait, there are more things to be experienced. Come, explore yourself in the Department of Civil Engineering in KCG College of Technology.